Okay.
How you doing there, miss? Is it good? Really?
They boo. Boo.
Put your spoon in the bowl. Get a drink. Okay, just sit it down there. All done? Okay. Good job, Sophie. Would you like some more, or are you all done?
Yeah.
Good, take your bowl to the kitchen. Good job. You feel better now?
Boo, don't you?
I'm all done too.
That was gross.
Really? You ate all of yours. Must not have been too gross. What do you think, Lex? Is it good? Wow. What a mess, buddy.
Let's go.
He's not done. You're all done? Okay. Give it to Sophie. Thank you, Sophie. Good job, buddy. Get a drink of milk. Get a drink. Good job. Wow. What a mess. Yeah. Oh my word. Let's take those pants off, okay? Go ahead and take it off, huh? Oof. What a mess, buddy. Here. Oof. Let's take the bib off too. Ah, the bib did its job. Good job. I'm gonna probably need to go in the bathroom and wash our hands. Okay? Wash your hands in the bathroom. And that concludes Lex eating dinner. Tortilla soup. I didn't have any chips to put in it. That would have been fun. A little extra chicken, some rice, some cheese. Oh.